Hello guys, welcome again to another BTC Daily Update. I hope you are doing great today. In today's BTC Daily Update, as usual, we will be analyzing the BTC Daily Time Frame, the BTC 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, and the BTC Weekly time frame. So stick around to the end of the video because it will get very informational. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot if you can help the channel grow. With that being said, let's jump straight into the charts and see what's happening. I'm going to start with the daily. Obviously, the daily is the easiest time frame. When we started the BTC daily updates, we were around this area on the daily, and I was telling you that the daily time frame wasn't signaling 44 or 50k. On the contrary, it was signaling at least the heart line of the channel. And then when we reached the heart line, obviously we analyze what happens again. And then we reached the heart line, and we actually broke through. And when we broke through the heart line, we checked the daily indicators, and I told you guys that the daily still has juice left, so expect higher, at least towards the top of the channel, because this is a regular formation. Tap here, tap here, tap here, tap here, tap here. So this is just a channel formation playing out, and that's what happened. We broke the heart line, and the BTC daily time frame indicators still had juice left, and currently we are sitting near the top of the channel around 67,139k at the moment of speaking right now. So what is next on the daily time frame? How is the daily looking? Are we going to go down or to the moon? Well, basically, if we look at the daily time frame indicators, the indicators on the daily time frame still haven't signaled any type of bearish retracement yet on the daily. Just a reminder, daily retracements tend to be very severe. So something that looks like this or like this. This is what a daily retracement is. It's a 5, 6, 7, 8k drop over a couple of days. So this is what we call even more sometimes. So the daily time frame still hasn't signaled a daily retracement yet. This time frame still has juice left in it, so we can expect higher, and we should expect higher. So with that being said, like I said in my previous videos, the enemy of Bitcoin uptrends is consolidation, right? Consolidation or bearish structure. So both of them are enemies to an uptrend. The areas to watch out for on the daily time frame, which are strong resistance, are going to be 67 to 69k. So this orange block is basically my mega resistance. Okay, if we're able to break this instead of consolidating it, then I think we'll probably do a new all-time high. Because if you follow me on X, I tweeted on X something a couple of weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. So I tweeted this on X. If you can see here, I said, reminder, I just quoted this now. I said the next time, so this is July 5, the next time you see BTC at 70k, don't short it. So that was July 5th. So I was very clear and very adamant about this, and I'm still going to be clear, and I'm still gonna say the same thing. If we see BTC at 70k next time around, don't short it. So because I think it's basically going to break the all-time high. So for now, the daily time frame indicators still have juice, but we don't want to see consolidation over the next couple of days. We don't want to see bearish structures. We don't want to see Bart Simpsons. We don't want to see double tops. We don't want to see just regular consolidation. We want to see consecutive daily candles that are higher in price than the previous ones. So similar to what we said. I've been saying this since we were here, basically, on the BTC daily updates. So and we've been getting that. We've been getting consecutive daily candles that are higher than the previous candles. All right. So daily time frame looking very good for Bitcoin. We will check it again over the next couple of days. Hopefully we break through. We're experiencing a pump right now, but unfortunately these are Sunday pumps, so they don't give you a clear direction, especially on a Sunday. So liquidations, XYZ is happening right now. But yeah, we'll wait and see the daily over the next couple of days, and we will analyze again. 4-hour time frame, I think, is going to be easier this time around. So the 4-hour time frame, right here, when we were analyzing, I told you that there should be a retracement at least to 63.8, if I'm not mistaken, in my last video, and we did that. We did a retracement on the 4-hour time frame, and we reached actually lower, so 63.3. And after that, we had a continuation to the upside as per the 4-hour time frames, right? I told you guys last video that the 4-hour time frame is going to be doing this, basically bullish upside to the upside waves, where with retracements over the next 24 to 48 hours, and then move up, and then retracement, and then move up, and then retracement, until we either reach a bearish structure, consolidation type of structure, or we reach something like this, or we just continue bullish structure. So what we want to see is this. We don't want to see bearish structures forming around the 67 to 69K region. Now the 4-hour time frame, which translates to the next 24 hour to 48 hours, so basically till Tuesday, I would say over the next 48 hours or after 48 hours will be bearish. Okay, basically 24 to 48 hours after that we will be bearish, meaning we will experience a bearish retracement on the 4-hour time frame, and I think the bearish retracement will sweep the lows at least. So at least the 66K region will be swept. Okay, and the 4-hour EMAs are currently sitting around that area, so that would be a logical healthy retracement similar to what's happening here. Climbing above the EMAs, climbing above the EMAs till we break the all-time high. So this is what we want to see on bullish structure. So yeah, I believe that there will be a retracement coming on the 4-hour after 24 to 48 hours towards at least this area right here, which is that basically sweeping these lows right here. Okay, maybe 66 65 8, 65 9, 66, 65. Anything between 65 and 66 is probably going to be our retracement zone. Now, if we start to break below and we go back here, this is starting to look like a bearish structure. And if we do this, then this is a confirmed bearish structure. So we'll have to wait and see the 4-hour time frame and analyze it. Again, maybe on Monday or Tuesday, depending on the data. Now, the 1-hour time frame is obviously bullish. It has been bullish since this area right here. Consolidation, accumulation here, and now move up to basically take or sweep the previous. Oh, did we sweep it yet? Let me see here. Yeah, we swept the previous Pico high here, the local high right here. We went actually towards 67,500, and the daily and the 1-hour still has juice left in it. I mean, it's not over. So basically, what you would like to see is this over the next 6 to 12 hours, and what you don't want to see is this or this, which is basically bearish structure. Most likely it will happen. I don't want to jinx it, but most likely we will get some type of bearish structure, and then we will retrace. So something that looks like this, all right? It could go, to 68.4, 69.5. It depends on the momentum, and it depends on the 1-hour candles that will keep forming. But yeah, I think this is basically the case, and it aligns perfectly with the 4-hour time frame being bearish over the next 24 to 48 hours. So it will look something like this, and then 6 hours of either slight upset or consolidation, and then the remaining 6 to 12, and then the remaining 24 to 40 hours will be a drop towards sweeping at least these lows right here, and then we analyze again. All right, now the weekly time frame, which is the last time frame for today, which is I told you guys this is the most important. Things are looking amazing for BTC on the weekly. I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to sound bearish or jinx this move, but if we get a nice weekly candle close like this, where we are right now, and the follow-up candle is also a nice weekly close. I mean, this candle for me is enough, but if this candle closes like this on the weekly time frame, I think the follow-up candle will be a break of the all-time high. Okay, personally, I think the following weekly candle will be all-time high being broken. But again, I'm just guessing too far into the future. I need to see the next couple of days how if we get bearish consolidation on the daily time frame, then the next week's candle won't be bullish. So we have to track BTC, but I think from now to around Wednesday or Thursday, we'll be sure. I mean, either we break the all-time high next week or the following week, or we're gonna go back down, to fill that gap around 57K. If not, sweep the lows again and test this small supply and demand zone here between let's say 48, 49K towards 50K. So we will have to wait and watch, but things are looking very, very interesting for BTC. And that is it for today's BTC daily update, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot if you can help the channel grow, and I will see you again next time. I hope you enjoy your weekends. Bye bye, guys.